In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quiz video in Canva. First, go to the Templates tab on the left side of your screen. Then go to the search bar and search for quiz video. From here, you can choose the template that you like from these options. For this demonstration, I'll go with this template. Once you find the template that you like, just drag and drop it into the timeline like this. If we play it, you'll see that the first scene is for the question and options, while the second scene is for the correct answer. Now let's customize this template. I'm going to delete the default objects, such as this castle, mountains, trees, and the cloud. Then go to the Elements tab and search for a cat photo. I'll just choose this one. Then adjust the position. After adding the photo, you can go to the Animate option to give it an animation. Next, select the question and answer boxes to resize and reposition them so they fit perfectly. After that, to change the text, just double-click the text box and change the text to whatever you want. For example, I'll change this question to "What is the name of this animal?" Then change the options too. Now duplicate this page by right-clicking it and click Duplicate Page. To show the answer like in the template, you can copy this answer and paste it to the new page. Okay, now let's just delete this page and click this play button to see the final result. You can repeat this process for all of your questions. Use different photos and questions and make sure to move the correct answer to a different spot so it's not always in the same position. So that's how to make a quiz video in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.